Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. Let's start our lecture. Here is the bridging. I hope you have solved it and here is the answer of that bridging. Let's see what learning outcome we have today. We are going to discuss belief number 23, in which there are two SLOs. Differentiate between homophones like weather, weather, seen, seen, and second is use a dictionary or thesaurus to locate guide words. Let's see the dictionary explorer's journey. Let's delve to it. Grab your compass and your magnifying glass. We are heading into the wild pages of the English language. Learn how to track tricky words. Read the map and dig up ancient treasure. Dictionary is like a treasure where you can find lot of words, and if you have to find a specific word, then how can you find it? Let's see. Spotting tricky paths with homophones. First we have to know what are homophones. Homophones are the words that wear clever disguise. They provide the exact same sound when spoken aloud. Whenever you speak these words, they sound alike, they sound same. They have different spelling, but there is a minor difference in it, in their spelling. They have completely different meaning. For example, we have a word right, R-I-G-H-T, and we have a word right, W-R-I-T. Both words have same sound, but if you look at their spelling, they are different. Right mean correct, and right mean to write something. That is the difference, and we call these words homophones. Catching homophones in the wild sound alike look different. There and there. We have another homophones, honor and honor. You must look closely at the spelling to know which path you are taking. You have to look closely these words and their meaning, and you have to remember that. Now, it's time to find your word with guide words in your dictionary. Every explorer needs a trusty compass. In a dictionary, your compass is the guide word. Your compass is the guide word. It will help you to find a word. They are always located right at the top of our dictionary. You can find it here or here or here. They tell you exactly where you are. How the compass works? The guide words save you from getting lost in thousands of pages. As all of you know that dictionary is full of words and you have to find a specific word. They show you the very first word on that exact page. Then they show you the very last word on that exact page. Every word in between falls in alphabetical order. Here's a guide word and here is a guide word. Whatever word is here will be mentioned on the right top corner, and the last word is mentioned here. And all other words alphabetically arranged in between them. Reading the map, the guide words on your map today are penetrate and win. Penetrate is the first entry word in the page, which you can see here. Win is the final entry word, which you can see here. Any word alphabetically between P and W could live on this page. You can find other words here in between them. Unlocking our guide words, penetrate, meaning, and then you can find the meaning, origin of that word in your dictionary. Then we have word win, to gain victory, from the old English word winnen, to struggle. Now let's see unearthing ancient word treasure. A great explorer does not just read the map, they collect treasures along the way. Every word has a secret history hidden in its origin. Let's open the chest and examine our new vocabulary. Here is another word, petal and prey. Tools and tubes. The Master Explorer checklist. First, we have to spot homophones. Then learn to use guide words at the top of the page to navigate quickly. You track down new words and uncovered their ancient roots, their meaning, their definition, roots from Latin, Greek, German, and old dictionary. Every word has a history. The dictionary is not just a list of rules, it is a map of human history. Keep exploring, keep reading, and keep uncovering the secrets hidden in your vocabulary. Here's a formative check. Solve it in your class. Here's your workbook page. Solve it on your workbook. And here is a homework which you have to do at your home. Okay, bachcho, I hope this lecture will be helpful for you and you enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.